এটা ব্ৰেকিং সিদ্ধাৰ্থ শৰ্মাৰ গোচৰ স্থানান্তৰৰ আবেদন খাৰিজ উচ্চতম ন্যায়ালয়ৰ আজি আদালতে খাৰিজ কৰে সিদ্ধাৰ্থ শৰ্মাৰ আবেদন আন ৰাজ্যলৈ গোচৰ স্থানান্তৰৰ বাবে আবেদন জনাইছিল সিদ্ধাৰ্থই ন্যায়াধীশ বি.ভি. নাগৰত্না আৰু আৰ মহাদেৱনৰ বিচাৰপীঠত হৈছিল এই শুনানি পুনৰ উল্লেখ কৰিছোঁ সিদ্ধাৰ্থ শৰ্মাৰ গোচৰ স্থানান্তৰৰ আবেদন খাৰিজ কৰিছে উচ্চতম ন্যায়ালয় আজি আদালতে খাৰিজ কৰে সিদ্ধাৰ্থ শৰ্মাৰ আবেদন আন ৰাজ্যৰ গোচৰ স্থানান্তৰৰ বাবে আবেদন জনাইছিল সিদ্ধাৰ্থই ন্যায়াধীশ বি.ভি. নাগৰত্না আৰু আৰ মহাদেৱনৰ বিচাৰপীঠত হৈছিল শুনানি
Though the trial is going on day-to-day basis, today also there were 2 witnesses which were to be examined there, and we were led by Mr. Anil Kumar Mishra on behalf of the petitioner Siddharth Sharma, and Mr. Mishra also submitted to the court that there is apprehension of bias in the mind of the accused because of the association has passed a resolution that no lawyer will represent accused in this case. For this reason, we have to conduct a trial through VC from Delhi only, and we are facing some difficulties. These all things were pointed out by Mr. Mishra to the bench. However, the learned double AG submitted that he is willing to provide protection if the counsel from Delhi wishes to go physically to Assam, and the required protection will be provided to the counsel also. Further, he also submitted that out of so many witnesses mentioned in the charge sheet, they will restrict to material witnesses so that the trial can be expedited, although the trial has been going on day-to-day basis. And on this, we have requested the learned double AG to provide us with the list of material witnesses so that we can prepare accordingly. And with this, the bench was not inclined to transfer the case from Assam to Delhi, and the transfer petition was disposed of. See, as of now, we can't say because there have been some assurances given by learned AG who has been representing the state. He will be communicating those assurances to the learned PP who is conducting the trial, and let's see those assurances are met properly and we don't face more procedural difficulties in conducting the trial through VC or through physical.